Hello, welcome viewers, and happy Holi to all. So today is my topic about the study is being treated as a road instead of a load. देखिए स्टडी को कोई अभी लोड तरीके से नहीं ले रहे कि वो एक रोड बनाता है हमको. So it is a shining load. It is not a load of that is called the unwanted things. It is a very shining load. And also we are going in the perfection to grab something, to grab some opportunities, and to grab our the momentums and also the momentary thinkings. So something, it is not a shining, it is a shining load. वो एक unwanted load नहीं है, एक shining load है. And it is the perfection of the way, just we have to going to achieve something. So if we derail from that proper situation or from the right path, then we will have some that is called the indirect consequences we face at last. So that's why you have to go along the way for which you have to attain our goals very drastically and also amazingly. So one could just I'll mention here. देखिए जो पढ़ाई टाइम पर हमको लोड क्यों लगता है, नींद क्यों आ रहा है, नींद क्यों आ रहा है, why do we feel sleepiness and why not going to be sleepiness when we are going the books that is called the books belongs to films, film books, comic books or any other that are the most interesting books, then we will have no sleepiness. क्यों नींद आ रहा है? देखिए जो फिल्म का बुक पढ़ते हैं वो नींद नहीं आ रहा है, वो जो हमारा जो क्लास का बुक पढ़ते हैं वो नींद आ रहा है, बिकॉज we are get bored and we have no interest at all, because we have no fixed vision in our hearts. हमारे अंदर के कोई फिक्स्ड विजन नहीं, नो ड्रीम्स and also no brightness of our thoughts and no passion, no zeal, no interest at all coming to in just within us. हमारा पास वही नहीं है. So that's it. देखिए और एक बात है, suppose mother is also doing her works regularly every day. So I think at the proper time just she is doing her works, then why not just at another day she is going to perform the same work. So why not? Why won't you? Then you are going to fulfill your daily activities. I think it is daily should be done. I think regularly it should be done. But why not it is irregularly not doing? So you should have to follow that. The same direction your mother is going to have her duties every day, just quite to the perfection and to the alluring also. So another point just I will have. So temporary pleasure. Suppose someone is getting YouTubes and also maintaining their status, changing their status. But you should follow your own status, status of your life, status of your vision, status of your power, status of your dream. अरे भाई उसको चेंज करो. यूट्यूब का स्टेटस चेंज करने फायदा कोई नहीं होगा. No, nothing you will get, nothing will gain at the also at last. No one will also help you. No one will sort of come to rescue you from that. So you are the rescuer of oneself. You are the mastermind yourself. Whatever you have to going to change the pattern of your life. So change the trend of your lives. Change the consequence of your lives. But YouTube status का change करना कोई भी not that is meaningless. So always meaningful try to do that. So another thing just I have to take. Suppose someone going study about very hard morning time, so don't have the interest, then also they change to 12 noon. Oh, I will go after 12 noon. No interest, sleeping just under the bed, just amazingly, and also sleeping well comfortably. So another thing just I'll have. So no, I'll turn evening time. Evening time then you have talkings with your friends and also your girlfriends, boyfriends. You involve in that matters also quite also dramatically and exorbitantly. So another thing just night time I will have late night. So that's why you are going to parametrically you have to dejected your lives. We are going to be cheated your lives at all. In the long run, then you will have the failures of that also. So that's why. So you have to more convincingly, you have to speak something against the public. Speak something against the just before your teachers. So your voice को थोड़ा convincing power चढ़ना चाहिए. And ये your expression must be also brightness, unique, special, and also that is quite commanding. आपका expression power बहुत commanding होना चाहिए. Unique specialities, powerful, power packed होना चाहिए. And another thing, your expression such way you should express in convincing manner. You can convince others very clearly and easily. So another thing, and you are going to be also master of yourselves. So then you think you are going to grab the opportunity. So what now at present also, whatever the opportunity comes, then you have to grab to that opportunity को पकड़ना चाहिए आपको. Not going for the grab the obligation only. You are not going to attend the obligation only. We are going to grab the opportunity at the moment now, and every day what the opportunity comes, and along with that we have to stand to the occasion and grab the opportunity. Opportunity पकड़ना चाहिए. So another thing just I have to take. सो द टेम्पोररी प्लेजर, लाइफ में टेम्पोररी प्लेजर बहुत मिलता है. सो इसको जस्ट यू हैव टू क्विट दैट. बट परमानेंट प्लेजर के लिए सब यू आर गोइंग रनिंग अप टू द गवर्नमेंट, सो द गवर्नमेंट सर्विस, सो इंस्टेड ऑफ प्राइवेट वन सो मस्ट इन्वॉल्व इन just quite also fanatically finally, so more of 24 hours giving yarding, and so don't give in and also surrender. So always also rise above the situation, the occasion, and you must be the master of your mind and be influential, and also be also curative, and also be also incentive, and also the sensitive to the situation you are going through of that. So today just up to that. Next video just I'll next time.